Welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm trying to get this information out as soon as possible about this radio. I just did a couple of uploads of some shows that I showed you things about it. It's on sale right now, 10% off, and this is the same as the Raddy. And if you're a Prime customer, you can get another $10 off. So you can get it for like $68, $69. And so far, my testing has shown that it's pretty good radio for $68. Lots of functions, everything. I did some research and I found some more information for you. Here's one right here on swling.com. There was a review done by this gentleman right here. Pretty detailed review. And he's got listed the pros and cons. He likes the audio. I love the audio. And the conclusion is down here. You can read this. Basically, he said he liked the radio too. Then I also found from our good buddy Todderbert, did a review a couple weeks ago of it, and he went into on his show. He went into in detail every button on this radio in this particular video. So check that out. This is the Raddy version, where mine is this other one here. This version, I'm pretty sure they're identical. Mine has a green backlights. The Raddy has orange backlights. So that's some places you can go to get additional information right now and make your decision where you want to get one of these radios. I've just been testing it for maybe an hour, and so far I like it. So, and I'm pretty sure, I'm sure when Todderbert, there's his channel right there, Todderbert, his conclusion was it's a good buy too. And I think you ought to get one, or at least check into it some more. I'm trying to get this information to you as soon as possible. Right now, it's still on sale for basically $20 off if you're a Prime customer, $10 off if you're not. Okay, thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.